Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to the channel. Today is a different kind of video. We will be revisiting 30MS Sourei because in that previous review I created an action pose where her Oni mask or demon mask armor is floating separately from her, and we are going to recreate that pose. The most important part of this recreation is that we don't need to use other kits or other option parts, but only the ones from her own kit, the extra or leftover parts. Okay, so first let's remove the armors that we need. And the other parts. I already made this before, so I just didn't remove them. But the ones I used are the extra skin tone elbow parts, two of them. Ring part. The other extra elbow joint skin tone. Two arm ring parts with the attachment point, as well as the thigh ring parts with attachment point, two of them. So the goal is to connect this and this, so it would look like the Oni mask has a full armor. So let's recreate. I put the arm ring part through the thigh ring part, as well as the other one. There you go. Put the other elbow joint here through the arm ring part, and then put another arm ring part without the connection. This will serve as the connection point for the two elbow joints. So basically like this. Let's connect them. This goes to the back of the Oni mask, while this one goes to this other armor. Since the one we are using is the extra elbow joint, you have the articulation to turn it. So it's basically this. If you want to shoot from the other part, just rotate it around. And that's basically it. Very easy, no need for the other kits, just the extra parts from Sourei's own kit. And to make it appear that it's floating, just use an action base to prop it up. And there you go. I'll make sure to include some action poses with this floating Oni mask. And oh, before I forget, this effect part for Sourei sword, you can use it for the horn. And because of this part, it even looks like the flame is coming from the Oni's eye. Just insert it like how you would with the sword. Next up, let's check on those action poses. That's it. What do you guys think? If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe as well. It does mean a lot and it's free. So I hope to see you soon on the other reviews or videos, and I think that's it. Bye bye. Alright, bye.